Bathroom renovations can be a headache. From creating a budget to finding the right contractor, it takes time and it takes planning. But no worries, because the folks at My Shower Door design, manufacture, and install all their products, and they're going to show us just how easy a brand new shower door can be. Easy's good, right? Let's check it out. Bill, good morning.
Welcome, Judith. Welcome to My Shower Door.
Great to be here. Wow, what a big showroom with so many fully built out units, so many built out showers, so much great hardware, lots of options here.
We thought it was really important for you to come in and see, feel, touch, operate the door so you know what you're buying.
Tell me a little more about the company. What is it that makes My Shower Door different?
Well, we specialize in frameless shower doors. I mean, that's all we do. As you walk around here and you see the different displays, you're going to see that we have a shower door for every application. I can't wait to show you the rest.
Let's not wait. Let me see.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
Based on our conversations, there's something down here I think you'd like.
All right, let me see.
I think right about here might fit your expertise,
my aesthetic,
right?
Yes. You know, I love a good penny tile, and I love the brass. I love the French door opening.
Take a look at this.
Can I go in?
Sure.
All right, in I go. In I go. Love the brass. These are
what's really nice,
beautiful doors.
go ahead and swing the door in.
Ah.
There's a real benefit there. So when you shower and it's collected water, swing it in, let it drip into the shower instead of out on the floor.
Beautiful. What kind of glass is this, by the way?
So this is what they call low iron glass. Has less of a greenish color to it. So it really pops, gives it a higher clarity.
Beautiful. I love this design. Now, what is this? Is this called a slider here?
Yes, it is. Let's take a look at that as well.
Oh, I like.
Go ahead and slide it.
I will.
This is unusual because it has a glass headrail. Gives you an even more open look.
Very streamlined.
And both doors operate, so they can bypass each other.
Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Absolutely stunning. Very modern.
Very modern. It's the hottest trend
going. To
going.
the modern customer like myself. Beautiful. So Haley, I hear you are the perfect person to ask all of my shower questions to, right?
Yes.
So when a customer comes into the showroom and they're looking for a brand new shower, tell me what the process basically is.
Sure. So when they come in, what we always ask is they can bring a picture of their space so we can help design it and envision it, what they have.
Like a reference.
Exactly. So we determine if you can do a swing door or slider or maybe both, and you have options. So we go through that, and then we really show you all the different hardware that you can choose from. Obviously, there's all these different types of finishes, which are really fun.
A lot more than there used to be, right?
Oh my gosh. It used to be only the brushed nickel, chrome, and polished brass. And now, you know, the trends have changed. A lot of people are doing gold, but like your satin or your brushed, and even black, which is really fun. So you could do less hardware, or you can make a little more of a statement and do like what's called U-channel. So there's pros and cons to both. But really, when you come in here, we just want to educate you on what your options are, because no one would think there's this many options when it comes to a shower door.
That's true.
But really there is, and really a shower door is what kind of is the finishing touch to the space and brings it all together. So we just show you everything.
So when a customer gets the shower door done, is every one of the doors customized for each homeowner?
They are. So we don't have any of our glass at stock because really what happens is even if you retile, your house settles, your condo, whatever the case may be, walls shift. You're able to make it whatever you are wanting. We fabricate it in-house, so we're able to cut anything you're wanting, create anything in the glass that you may have this idea of. So it's really fun being able to have these capabilities and bring their vision to life.
Yeah, it really is the focal point of the whole bathroom.
It is.
I cannot wait to see how the glass is made. That's going to be exciting.
It is quite the process. You're going to be, I think, amazed from it. It's really cool, and I think you're really going to enjoy seeing it.
So we've headed to the glass manufacturing facility to get a little behind the scenes, and we've got Lauren here to tell us how they make such beautiful shower doors. Lauren, there's a lot going on here. What happens here at this facility?
Sure. So all of our glass for My Shower Door comes through this facility. And we're located right here in Southwest Florida. The process flows through the factory pretty seamlessly. The first part of the process is the panel of glass for your shower is cut, right? So we take large sheets of annealed glass, cut it to the exact measurements from our sales team. Once it's cut, it moves into our polishing department. The polishing department is where all 4 edges of that glass is given that real fine furniture quality look and feel. After polish, the next step is fabrication. So any holes in the glass for things like handles or towel bars, notches for our hinges, or really any other cutouts in the glass that are needed happen in fabrication.
Okay.
After fabrication, it's sent to the last step, which is tempering. And we actually have 2 tempering furnaces here in the factory. Tempering is where that annealed glass is really transformed into more of a safety glass. It gives it like 4 times the strength and really allows it to be used in an application for shower doors. And because we control the entire process here, from measuring to manufacturing to installation, it really allows us to ensure that our customers are getting the highest quality glass. And we can also control the lead time to allow our customers to get their glass as fast as possible.
So Lauren, when a customer comes in and they want a new shower, how does that process start?
Yeah, so really it starts with them going to our website, myShowerDoor.com.
Okay.
They're either going to give us a call or submit an online form for an estimate. Ultimately, we would invite them into the showroom. So once they're in the showroom, we would set up an in-home consultation free of charge. That's where our team is going to actually get the physical measurements. They're going to go over the different styles that we offer and the options to make sure it'll fit exactly for what they're looking for. And then at that point, really, when they're ready to go, we would send it through the process, get it through the factory, and get it back in there for them installed.
So it must be really gratifying when you see a customer come in later and say, man, my shower looks great. I love my shower door.
It really is. So customer focused is one of our core values, and you really see it throughout our entire company. So when a new customer sends in a review and gives us glowing feedback, it really solidifies our commitment to the customer experience. When we hear from our customers, obviously in a positive way, and it really just makes us continue to strive to do better each time.
So for more information, we can go to myshowerdoor.com. And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. And we are headed to my house to measure my shower, right?
Let's do it.